let's bring in Michael Wild, former federal prosecutor and immigration law professor. I understand you've done some work for Donald Trump. You're not a supporter, though. How come?
I am a former federal prosecutor and mayor. My father started our practice. I'm a second-generation immigration lawyer since 1960. We represent some of the finest companies, individuals, and families in the world. Mr. Trump and his company, the Miss Universe organization, when he owned it, and Trump models were clients and are clients of ours at this point. We don't represent Miss Universe. He no longer owns it.
Yeah.
Very smart on compliance, very smart on business. But his immigration plan, I think, while it may be strong, is not as smart. And you need to have more than Band-Aids. We already have an ineffective immigration system, if you would. Putting up a wall is unrealistic, un-American, and really unpopular. We're not in a country founded by immigrants that we're going to start deporting our neighbors. We need solutions. This is Fox Business. We need entrepreneurs. Immigrants will hire Americans. There are so many systems in place. There's so much money already going into what is already a fledgling broken system.
Okay. I mean, you have great experience with the fact that the system is broken. I mean, I think that's where a lot of the frustration on every side is coming from people who want to come to this country legally to people who want other immigrants to come but maybe want them to do it in a legal way. I mean, he does make the point that when we aren't patrolling our borders effectively and we aren't vetting and screening the people that come in, we're just, you know, sort of getting the people who fled over the border.
No, good point, Melissa. The problem is it can take certain nationals upwards of 20 years to come in. A hallmark of immigration policy is family reunification. And the entrepreneurial spirit, the tool that immigration is in our arsenal to make sure that we stay the richest, the best, the most robust country is not being effective.
What's the best way to fix it, though? How could you speed up that system? Where do you see the most inefficiency since you deal with it every day?
Well, Canada, Australia, they have point-based systems where they recognize that you don't have to fit into a certain kind of puzzle in order to get a status. You need to come up with streamlining for business needs. The H-1B visa was not raised in Mr. Trump's portfolio yesterday. These are visas where we have foreign students coming on F-1 visas, and then we effectively shoot ourselves in the feet by not giving them entree into the workforce. Mind you, from the cherry picking and the blueberry picking in Georgia to the hospitality corridors of LA and New York, there isn't anybody that isn't affected by the magnificence, by the entrepreneurial spirit of immigration. We shouldn't be building walls only. We should be building bridges and make sure, by the way, this whole argument about sanctuary cities and we're going to stop taking away the tools, the biblical straw from cities if they don't comply. It's the job of the federal government to come up with a comprehensive immigration system. And since 1952, we have had Band-Aids effectively placed every decade rather than new laws.
Everybody's as frustrated as you are. I wish we had more time. Thank you so much for coming on today. We appreciate it.